Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all the friends are doing very well. Today I am discussing now Assam Direct Requirement Adre 2.0 Grade 4. I am going to share Determiners English Grammar MCQ. Who are watching my video for the first time, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Determiners English Grammar MCQ. Question number 1. Dash of my friends help me in my distress. A number few, B number a few, C number the few, D number some. Correct answer option A few. Question number 2. Can you send me these books? Option A few, option B a few, option C the few, option D some. Correct answer option B a few. Question number 3. She has dash things to do. A number lots of, B number mass, C number most, D number most many. Correct answer option A. She has lots of things to do. Question number 4. Most many. I have two sisters. Dash is tall. A number none, B number neither, C number either, D number none of the above. Correct answer option B neither. Most many. I have two sisters. Neither is tall. Question number 5. This is a slip of dash tongue. A number A, B number N, C number the, D number none of the above. Correct answer C. The. This is a slip of the tongue. Question number 6. It is many kind of determiners. Shows any one of the following sentence. A number 4 kinds, B number 5 kinds, C number 6 kinds, D number 7 kinds. Correct answer C. 6 kinds. Question number 7. The teacher has given us this useful advice. A number more, B number few, C number mass, D number many. Correct answer D. The teacher has given us many useful advice. Question number 8. I got this help from my mother than my father. A number mass, B number more, C number most, D number enough. Correct answer option A mass. I got much help from my mother than my father. Question number 9. Dash of the boys had done his work. A number every, B number some, C number no one, D number us. Correct answer option D us. Us of the boys had done his work. Question number 10. Dash English are always conservative by nature. Option A, option B, AN, option C, the, option D, none of the above. Correct answer C. The English are always conservative by nature. Question number 11. She will stay here for dash while. A number little, B number a little, C number the little, D number none of the above. Correct answer option B a little. She will stay here for a little while. Question number 12. My brother is dash NCC cadet. A number A, B number AN, C number the, D number none of the above. Correct answer B AN. My brother is an NCC cadet. Question number 13. Can you help me with this money? A number a few, B number little, C number a little, D number the little. Correct answer option C a little. Can you help me with a little money? Question number 14. There was dash milk in the dairy and so I had to return without it. A number a little, B number little, C number a few, D number few. Correct answer B little. There was little milk in the dairy and so I had to return without it. Question number 15. This union leader will address the workers. A number A, B number N, C number the, D number none of the above. Correct answer C. The union leader will address the workers. Question number 16. The busy person have less time to waste. A number little, B number a little, C number the little, D number a few. Correct answer a little. A busy person have little time to waste. Question number 17. He is dash older than his wife. A number many, B number more, C number much, D number none of the above. Correct answer C much. He is much older than his wife. Question number 18. The passenger has dash luggage with him. A number many, B number much, C number lots of, D number more. Correct answer C. Lots of. The passenger has lots of luggage with him. Question number 19. There is not dash furniture in this room. A number much, B number many, C number more, D number none of the above. Correct answer A. Much. There is not much furniture in this room. Question number 20. This is the last question. I received this encouragement from my friends. A number more, B number much, C number many, D number enough. Correct answer option B. Much. I received much encouragement from my friends. Hello dear friends, I regularly upload education and important videos. Please do not forget like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video with your friends. Thank you so much understanding. May God bless you all of you.